Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Suburban LT. Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Escape SEL. Ford SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine. SUV has a 3 with 4-wheel drive and a 6-speed 5-liter transmission engine with all-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Chevrolet is less than 133,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has less than 105,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the estimated fuel city for this and 22 miles per 26 miles per gallon in the city, 31 miles per gallon. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails. Features include windows, rear privacy glass, auxiliary air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbag data lighting, roof rails, power windows, window defogging assist, power brakes, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brake stickers, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, powered stability control and traction control, door locks, stability control and traction control.